where everyone is rushing toward money, targets, achievements. Day and night feel the same. We wake up tired, sleep late, scroll endlessly. And somewhere along the way, we forget time. We have turned our nights into days and days into nights. We work, we run, we chase. But we don't pause. Yet nature, quietly, consistently, keeps reminding us that time is still moving. Every morning when the sun rises, it brings a new beginning. And every evening when it sets, it whispers to us, rest, breathe, slow down. Sunrise and sunset are nature's own clock. No alarms, no reminders. Just a perfect rhythm created by the universe. But here comes the question that brought us here today. Why does the sun rise early in one city and late in another? Why is sunset 7 p.m. somewhere and 9 p.m. somewhere else? Why does timing change even though it's the same sun? Let's explore the beautiful answer behind this mystery. Unlike our mobile clocks, the sun doesn't rise at the exact same time every day. Sometimes earlier, sometimes later. And this change continues throughout the year. Even two cities in the same country can have a few minutes, sometimes hours, difference in sunrise and sunset. There are three main reasons. Earth rotates day and night. Earth is tilted at 23.5 degrees. Earth orbits around the sun in an oval shape. These three together make sunrise and sunset unique for every place. Let's understand them one by one. Imagine Earth as a giant spinning ball. It takes 24 hours to complete one full spin. And during this spin, whichever side faces the sun becomes day. And the side hidden becomes night. Because Earth is constantly rotating, sunlight reaches places at different times. A city located in the east sees sunrise first. A city in the west sees it later. That's why, though the sun rises for everyone, the timing is never the same everywhere. Even a 100 km distance can make a few minutes difference. Now comes the most important part. The Earth is tilted. It isn't standing straight. It leans at 23.5 degrees. Because of this tilt, one side gets more sunlight summer. The other gets less sunlight winter. Days get longer, nights get shorter. Then the cycle reverses as Earth moves around the sun. This tilt decides how long the sun stays in the sky, which changes the sunrise and sunset time across the world. Same sun, different angle, different timing. Look at your city. Do you notice long days in summer and short days in winter? Comment below, I'm curious. Most people think Earth moves in a perfect circle around the sun. But the truth is, it moves in an elliptical oval path. Sometimes Earth is closer to the sun, sometimes farther. This affects heat, day length, sunrise and sunset timing. So now we have rotation plus tilt plus oval orbit equals unique sunrise-sunset time for every region. Let's see how this works in real life. Near the equator, days and nights are almost equal through the year. In Europe, Canada, Russia, winter days can be extremely short. In Norway, Sweden, Alaska, the sun may not set for days or weeks in summer. People call it midnight sun. Imagine going for a walk at midnight, and the sun is still shining in the sky. In Antarctica, there are months of continuous daylight and months of complete darkness. The planet is extraordinary. Sunrise and sunset influence everything. Farmers plan their work by sunlight. Prayer times depend on sunrise. Filmmakers and photographers chase golden hour. Schools open with daylight. Human energy, sleep, emotions, all affected by sunlight. When day length changes, our lifestyle changes without us even noticing. Sunlight is not just physics, it is life. So remember, every sunrise you see, someone else is watching it at a different time. Every sunset you enjoy, someone else may be still waiting for it. The world is connected, yet different, because of how Earth moves. Sunrise reminds us to wake up. Sunset reminds us to slow down. And both remind us that time is precious. The sun rises every day. But no two sunrises are ever the same. Every sunrise is a new beginning. Every sunset is a story. If you learned something new today, drop a comment with your city and today's sunrise, sunset time. Like, share, subscribe, and keep your eyes on the sky. Because the sky is the greatest storyteller.